Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today's Friday, August 8, 2025, a nice Friday afternoon in the summer. So we'll go over a couple of things and then get to the weekend. Turning back to the Treasury auction that I mentioned on Wednesday's video, we had two auctions, one on Wednesday, one on Thursday, one for 30-year, one for 10-year bonds. So the Wednesday auction for 10-year bonds was $42 billion, and it didn't go smoothly. Not that it disrupted the market, but it didn't go as well as, wasn't accepted as well as it would have been hoped. And then yesterday was $25 billion of 30-year Treasury bonds, and again, not gone totally smoothly, and so it didn't really disrupt the bond market. So it's not like it's a panic time, but I just want to follow up, and it's also something to keep an eye on because we still have a lot of debt to finance. So now on to earnings season, and it's been a good one. The earnings as gauged by the S&P 500, 63% of the companies reporting have beaten their expectations. So the predictions, and there's games to be played there, but still, 63 beat the expectation earnings, and they by one standard deviation. And this is the best time a best beat of the expectations in 25 years. So it's again the top companies doing well, but again it's been a widespread good quarter for the second quarter earnings reports. This has led to, again, the concentration. And here's another statistic to share with you. It's the top 10% of U.S. stocks. Again, not just the top 10 stocks, but top 10% of all stocks in the U.S. now represent 76% of the valuation of the stock market. That's just incredible that the big companies get bigger, and as they get bigger, more money flows into their stocks. It's kind of a circle, but just an amazing statistic. And again, pointing to the extreme concentration within our stock market. Not that I expect it to end, but it is a risk at some point if we need to unwind. Everybody's gonna be selling the same stocks when the leaders will be going down again, if that ever happens. So thank you for listening. Have a great weekend. We've been getting some further responses on people enjoying it, so please like and share, subscribe, and we'll be back on Monday. Have a good one. Thank you again. Goodbye.